Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how we can set up sound equalizer of your Sony buds. So first of all, to activate the sound equalizer we have to go for the sound, then scroll down. As you can see, is turned off currently, so click on this arrow and then we can pick one of the presets. As you can see, that's a few other presets that we can actually use. And if you want to customize any of the preset, for example, we can set up this custom one. We have to click on the settings icon, and here we can simply adjust parameters by using this sliders. Then click OK in the right upper corner to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, that's very simple. You have to also switch from the sound quality to the stable connection when you are going to use sound equalizer. So you have to just set it up for the stable connection. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.